Okay, this is the start of the road trip vlog.
This is it.
We're headed to Texas. It's really happening.
We're leaving right now. We're getting in the car and
we're off.
it's sad, somewhat sad.
So sad.
I think it's just hitting us. I don't think we
thought it through.
I still like it I still don't feel like it's hit us yet, and that we've like actually thought the move through. I think we're just now getting to a point where it's like, okay, everyone left the desert, the Palm Springs house. We're here by ourselves. We're getting in the car to head out, and yeah, we have like long 2-day road trip ahead of us, so I think we'll have a lot of time to process our emotions and thoughts.
Yes. So we're gonna bring you guys along. We're traveling cross country. We've got our Uhaul, which is like the scariest thing ever. I really don't like it because it wobbles when you drive and you can't go very fast. So I really don't like doing that, but we have no choice. We've got our doggy, Mr. Goo, and we're off. See you guys on the road. Stop. Stretch. Stop number 1. And we're still, are we still in California?
We're in Arizona.
We are? When are we across the border? We're having a little potty break. So is Mister. In the middle of the desert. And we're gonna do a little bathroom break. I think we're going to listen to an audiobook or download one. If you guys have any good audiobooks that you like, leave them in the comments down below. It'll obviously be, this video will be up by the time that we're doing it, but I want to start listening to more. So if you have really good recommendations, let me know. But yeah, we're gonna go in and go potty. We'll be back on the road. Get some pizza. We're at this really cute little restaurant. We're in Phoenix and there's some cats wandering around. We have Goose here with us and he is just cannot stand staring at this cat across the street. It's sitting down and he is just suffering. He has to watch it in patience. Oh buddy, look, he's sitting. Oh, he wants to get it so bad. He's so cute. Look how pretty the sunset is. Hold on, you can't really see in this lighting. Oh my god, so pretty. Hunt is on. Back up, bitch. Yeah, are you gonna let them greet? He's scared. He's scared. Goose, you want to say hi?
Like eyeing him down.
Are you going to be friendly? She does not like you, Goose.
You have to attack him.
Okay, so we're in Phoenix. We just had some pizza and we're getting back on the road. I think we're going to try and make it into New Mexico. Wait, where's Arizona then New Mexico?
Yeah, it's Arizona then New Mexico.
Arizona then New Mexico, so we're going to try and make it there. I think like 5 more hours. I think we can do it. It's only like 6:30 right now, so
we'll get into New Mexico in like 2 hours, but we're gonna drive 3 hours across New Mexico to get like one city before Texas, and so in the morning we'll wake up and just hit Texas pretty quickly.
Yep. So it's not gonna take us as long as we thought. It really helped bringing or going down to Palm Springs first. It cut a big chunk off the drive, so we're happy about that. And we just like I said, we just had some pizza in Phoenix. We're right near Arizona State. There it is right there, that arch lit up. But we're hoping our car didn't get broken into, or a U-Haul. Yes, it has happened a lot to us. We've gotten our car broken into like 4 times in the past year, so we're like really scarred with the breaking in situation. But I'll catch up with you guys when we're back on the road and we're headed to New Mexico. It's currently 10:51 p.m. Are we in New Mexico?
Yeah, somewhere.
Somewhere in New Mexico, not sure where. We're in a ghost town. And we're stopping at McDonald's for an iced coffee. Classic. And we're gonna go a couple more hours to...
I apologize for that. I'll get those right.
It's okay, thank you.
we're waiting a couple more hours to El Paso, and then we're gonna stay the night, and then do the next leg of the trip tomorrow. I'm delusional, so I can't even speak. So we have 10 more hours tomorrow, but we have 3 more hours till El Paso, and then got our coffees.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to the coffees.
This guy's still here.
We're about like an hour away from New Mexico, and then another hour and a half away from the destination where we're stopping tonight.
So I'll probably update you guys in the morning because we're getting pretty tired and it's pretty dark, so you can't really see much, but hopefully see you on the other side in Texas. Good night. What's up, everybody? We are on day 2 of our road trip, and I thought I'd check in and give a little bit of an update. We woke up really early this morning to get back on the road, and we've just made it across the border into Texas. Well, not just, a couple hours ago, but it's been super just flat and nothing, so really wasn't much going on in the car. We've got the pup sleeping here. We're listening to a little music and trying to like fill our time.
We're actually in Odessa right now, where Friday Night Lights is based. Like Odessa,
yes,
Midland area, West Texas. But super, super dry. It's my first time out here too. And just oil rigs, very dry land too. That's right.
Okay, the camera died, so updating you guys again. We still haven't gotten any food. We got a little snack. This Justin's almond butter with pretzels is the best we could find, but the pretzels are stale, so perfect. Still really hungry, still really bored. So we are, oh gosh, maybe about, actually gonna drive through the town that we went to college in. It's called Fort Worth. We went to TCU. If you are Horned Frog, please comment below.
We are like 20 minutes or so away from Fort Worth.
Yeah, so we're gonna drive through there, and then we're pretty much on the home stretch after that. Getting to like the Dallas area. So we're almost there, but it's been pretty much just a straight shot with nothing much to look at. So we're getting a little bit of cabin fever. I don't even know if that applies to this situation, but actually it's been really pretty. One thing I love about Texas is the wildflowers that bloom during the spring. I don't know if you can see them, but they're so pretty. I'll try and get some close-ups of the wildflowers if we stop again and we're near some, or show you guys up close. But they're my favorite thing by far about the like scenery here is like all of the green prairie land with all the different wildflowers that are different colors. So that's really pretty.
Inspired your tattoo?
Yeah, that's what inspired my tattoo, is why I have a little wildflower on my arm. So I love that, and it's really pretty to drive through in the spring. But yeah, our road trip is almost coming to an end. What else?
Prank that I play on Julia is, I do this a lot in the car, is when we're driving and we're both kind of tired, I'll put my head back and just close my right eye and like open my mouth a little bit to look like I'm passed out. Kind of like this.
Gets me every time. Okay, so I thought we would just share what we are most excited about for the move, and yeah, maybe something like we're nervous about or something, just to see if anyone can relate. If you've gone through a move before, you know that it's not the easiest thing in the world. I know for me, every time that I move, emotionally it's really hard because I really like routine, and it's challenging when you have to like start a new life and develop a new routine with new surroundings and get used to that. I'm
somewhat the opposite. I actually thrive on change. I really enjoy it and like experiencing change. So yeah, hope it lasts. Hope it doesn't just like hit me. It's exciting, and then
I always like the change. Like, I'm an open-minded person, but it's hard for me to get there in the process. Like, I struggle a little emotionally because I like my comfort zone. Okay, I'm so sorry, but my memory card keeps filling up, and that's why my clips kept cutting. So I'm sorry if that conversation was cut a little short, that's why. And we weren't able to find any memory cards on the road. So we finally made it to Texas. We're finally here. I was super long, and I'm sorry if it was kind of a choppy road trip vlog, but we just pulled up to the house. We've been here for a couple of hours and it's so exciting. We just started to unpack a little bit. We've been working for most of the day, but I wanted to show you guys a little sneak preview of the house, and I'll be doing a full house tour in the next couple of days, but I just wanted to give you a little preview of our house. Hunter is unloading the U-Haul right now. All right, preview.
Hey, sorry.
Okay, so my best friend came over, my best friend that lives in Texas, her name's Jill, and she brought me housewarming flowers, which was so sweet. Thank you so much. And I got to see her kids, which I haven't gotten to see them in a couple of months, so that was really nice. Yeah, but like I said, most of the day we've just been working because we took the past couple of days off while we were on the road trip. So we had to do some catching up on that and get that together. But the next couple of days are gonna be crazy. We're working / combination of moving in. So hopefully by now I've gotten the first moving vlog up, and then like the stagecoach vlog. So by the time you guys see this, we'll probably be making a lot more progress, but the house is basically completely empty right now. I'm gonna have so much fun decorating it. Here, let me go in another room. Okay, so I'm currently in what is going to be my office / filming studio whenever everything is settled. But yeah, feels really weird to be here. I am excited, I'm kind of nervous. It's always a little bit nerve-wracking with change. Some people like really thrive on it, but I love having like a consistent group of people around me. I love meeting new people, and I'm like, you know, definitely like an open-minded person, but it's always hard when your routine changes and you have to just develop like a whole new lifestyle. It can be just, you know, a little uncomfortable, I guess. So I'm a little nervous about that, but I'm also really excited to be back to some old, like really close friends that I used to have, and kind of have some time to like slow down just a little bit. Like living in a city life is just really busy, and I'm excited to live somewhere a little bit slower just so I can like spend more time with people and really like pour more into like relationships, friendships, time with family, stuff like that, just because that stuff's really important. And also of course like work and YouTube and making like better videos and doing more. So I think overall I'm just excited to like have more time just for life and for everything, and just have like quality over quantity and busyness and like rapidness. So I'm excited. It's like gonna be a new journey. I of course keep you guys updated on all of my thoughts and emotions and everything that comes along with moving, but I am definitely excited but kind of scared. So if you've ever felt that before, if you have any tips for when you're moving to a new place, kind of how to adjust, I guess, leave it in the comments down below. But yeah, basically a little rundown. Everything is empty here, but we're gonna be moving in over the next like 4 or 5 days. So I'll be obviously vlogging more. I will do an empty house tour. If you guys want any other videos, let me know in the comments down below. I can film anything. Yeah, we're gonna be furniture shopping, decorating, doing lots of stuff. Noah hasn't seen the house yet. He hasn't been over here, so I'm excited for him to see it. Noah's our dog, if anyone didn't know, but he's gonna break in the house for the first time. So lots going on. It's crazy. I'm tired from moving and driving, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog and it wasn't too all over the place. Let me know what you think down below. Leave me a thumbs up if you're excited to see the house tour, and I'll see you guys in the next couple days. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.